There's an £8 billion government framework that could create opportunities for businesses working in telecoms, connectivity, networking, business communication systems, customer service systems, smart technology, audio-visual solutions, and critical communications. Now, if that sounds like your business, this is definitely one framework you need on your radar. It's called Network Services 4, or NS4 for short, and it's the next generation of one of the government commercial agency's biggest technology frameworks. If you're wondering what a framework is, it's a pre-approved list of suppliers that public sector organisations can buy from. So councils, NHS organisations, police forces, government departments and other public sector bodies can use Network Services 4 when they need to buy the technology and services it covers. If you plan on bidding for NS4, make sure you subscribe to this channel. I'll be breaking them down and doing more videos to help you understand exactly what's being asked for and what you need to do. So subscribe and you'll know when those videos go live. Okay, so first things first, Network Services 4 will replace the current Network Services 3 framework and is expected to be worth around £8 billion. Previous network services frameworks have already seen around £5.1 billion of spend, so this is a well-established buying route rather than something completely new. But NS4 has been updated to reflect how technology and the market has changed. There are new service areas, some existing ones that have been changed, as well as buyers having more flexibility over how they purchase through the framework. Now let's quickly take a look at each of those lots so you can work out whether NS4 is relevant to you. Lot 1 is Internet Connectivity Services. Now this is the technology that connects one site to another or connects an organisation to the internet and cloud services. You'll often hear this called as Wide Area Network or WAN, so you've got to think broadband, fibre, leased lines and secure connections between different sites. Now, Lot 2 is Local Connectivity Services. So if Lot 1 connects different locations, Lot 2 is about connecting people and devices within a building. And that's your local area network, or LAN. You're going to think Wi-Fi, network cabling, and all the equipment that allows people to connect their computers, phones, and other devices to an organisation's network. And Lot 3 is Voice and Unified Communications, and this is the business communication system. So think business phone systems, Microsoft Teams, Zoom, internet calling, messaging and video meetings. Lot 4 is Contact Centre Services, and this is all about customer service systems. It's the technology organisations use to manage customer phone calls, emails, web chats and online inquiries. Lot 5 is Internet of Things and Connected Places. Internet of Things, or IoT for short, is simply the name given to devices that can connect to each other and automatically share information over the internet. So think security systems, CCTV, smart lighting, building management systems and sensors that automatically collect and share information. And Lot 6 is Critical Domain Services, and this is quite specialist. It's about managing and protecting important government internet addresses, including addresses ending in gov.uk, mod.uk and nhs.uk. It's about everything that goes on behind the scenes to make sure those internet addresses remain secure, reliable and available. Lot 7 is Paging and Alerting Services. This covers the technology used to get important or urgent messages to the right people quickly, including emergency alerts and digital notification systems. Lot 8 is Audio-Visual Services, and this is the new addition and it covers the technology used in meeting and collaboration spaces. So think presentation screens, cameras, microphones, video conferencing equipment, and the installation and support that goes with it. And finally, we have 3 new lots supporting the move to the Emergency Services Network, or ESN, which is replacing the existing communications network used by the police, fire and ambulance services. So first up, you've got Lot 9A, and this is critical communications devices, and that's the physical equipment used by frontline personnel, including specialist handheld or vehicle-based communication devices. Lot 9B is critical communication services, and that's everything needed to get that equipment deployed and to keep it working, including installation, maintenance, repairs and technical support. And then there's Lot 9C, and this is critical communications software. So this is the software used to manage, monitor and connect all those critical communication systems. So that's Network Services 4. If you want even more help beyond what I cover in any of my videos, message me via thetendercoach.com. This is exactly the kind of thing I help business with, and I can make the whole process a lot easier to manage.